Alright guys, TK here with TK's Garage, and I want to give you guys a brief update on the GMC Envoy XUV. A couple things. In case, I don't know if this, depending on what order the videos came out, you may not have seen the Conti ProContact Continentals that I threw on the truck. I actually really like those tires. Now I know someone's going to tell me that I'm wrong, but what I love about these tires is I've had them on my BMWs and my X5s in the past, and if you get a nail or a puncture, you literally can just pull that shit out and it will literally seal itself up. You still probably should get they tell you you can't patch those tires, but take it to like a second-rate tire shop and they can patch it. Or depending on how big the puncture is, it literally seals itself up. I love those tires. Self-sealing tires, awesome. What has happened since, a couple things. You've seen the video. New headlights installed. Now this is literally wet concrete that I got from an overpass that splashed all over the front of the truck. This thing's going to be going into a clean and detailed. Oh, let's see if I can not drop the camera. Wow. Couple things that happened, or that I noticed that happened, that gave me issues. I was having an issue where the truck was literally overheating. So let's pop the hood and get into that. Oh, I also put the deflector thing back on it that came with the truck that was sitting in the back. Looks kind of, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think it looks like. I don't think it looks all that cool, but it definitely did help with a couple different things. Let me hold this thing up real quick. Alright. It has that sweet smell in here again. But anyways, so a couple things with this engine. This is the 5.3 liter V8 or 5300 Vortec, however you want to call it. A couple things I noticed. There should be another cover over here. And this box right here has cost me a shit ton of problems. And if you're an Envoy owner, you're going to know what I'm talking about. So let me get into this. So I don't know what these relays exactly do. I know one of them has something to do with maybe the coil banks, because one of these went bad and the truck was running like absolute crap. And they kept telling me, oh, you had bad coils, you had bad coils. So as you can see, there's new coils in here. No, that wasn't the case. It didn't have anything to do with the coils. It ended up being a $16 friggin' relay right here. I replaced both of these. And then over here, one of them, it wasn't these ones. One of these were bad, so I bought two more at O'Reilly's and replaced these. And I said, you know what, for shits and giggles, just let me get all of them. And I did them here, and I replaced all the relays I could find under the driver's front seat as well. And if these look really new, it's because I was like, everything I could find that I purchased, anything that I could find that I could purchase as general maintenance stuff, I replaced. We put a brand new battery in this thing since then. This one is a, 800 cranking amps. 1,000 cranking amps. I mean, the battery's probably ridiculous and way too big, or, you know, has a lot more power. I think they said 500 to 600 cranking amps is what this thing needs, so it should start no problem. Love the battery. What else was I showing you?